has already been 6 months. The time goes really fast when you're having fun. But at some point, it always gets to an end. And you should see that as a motivation. And use the time you had for inspiration. Because experience is the best teacher. And just know that it's never too late to follow your dreams. It is never too late to change. Life just isn't made to be sad. Find something that makes you happy. While you're waiting and see people achieve things, you're wasting your time in achieving it yourself. Stand up and go out of your comfort zone. I did it myself, and my life has changed so much, I can't even describe how happy I am right now. I found a job that makes me go travel. A job that will show me the world and make me look up to the future. I get to see places I thought I would only see on the internet. Travel now that it's still possible. It has never ever been so easy to go around the world. But who knows how long it will last. The world is our home and we're all part of it.